Okay guys, this is going to be the Power of 4 or easiest card trick ever tutorial and review video, as well as performance. So first I'll show you guys the trick and then I'll show you how to do it. So we're just going to start by shuffling up the cards and I'll shuffle them up and show you that it's completely normal deck cards, just nothing special about it. I'll even give them another cut just to make sure that you know that they're completely shuffled. And you can see it's completely in a random order, just totally random. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Michael if he'll just cut the cards in half about. Alright, thank you very much, Michael.
You're welcome.
And now, by looking at the fourth card down in this pile, I can tell that the fourth card down over here is the Ace of Diamonds. 3, 4. There's Ace of Diamonds. You can see that?
What?
Okay, now we'll do it again. Give the cards another shuffle. And now I'll cut the cards this time. Somewhere right here. I'll just go about right there. Right, now the fourth card down over in this pile is telling me that the fourth card down over here in this pile is the 9 of Diamonds. 2, 3, and 4. There's the fourth card down, 9 of Diamonds. Alright, one final time. I'll give the cards a shuffle. And a cut. Just about like this. And the fourth card down over here is telling me that the fourth card down in this pile is the 9 of Clubs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's the 9 of Clubs, fourth card down. And that's Power 4. So, now I will do the review video for that trick and show you how exactly to do the trick and so you guys can practice for the show on Friday. Alright, so to start the trick, you can have the spectator, whoever's watching, to shuffle up the cards. It can just be completely randomly and totally shuffled deck. There's no setup. And what you do is you let them shuffle it, and then you say, okay, so now I'm going to, you can see it's a completely normal deck, is what you say. It's a completely normal deck. And then as you're spreading out the cards, showing that it's shuffled and it's completely normal, you memorize the fourth card down from the top. So in this case, when I'm saying that, it would be the 2 of Clubs that I'd be memorizing. So if you guys can see that. And after you do that, you say, okay, now whoever's watching the trick or showing the trick to, you can tell them to please cut the deck wherever you'd like. Just cut the deck wherever you'd like, and then they just cut it just like this. And then so you know that the fourth card down over here in this pile, because this is what was on top, is the 2 of Clubs, and you see that, and you already know that, but the spectators know that you know. So that is pretty much the whole point of the trick. And then you say, alright, so the fourth card down in this pile will tell me what the fourth card down over here is, which it really doesn't tell you anything about what this card is, but you already have it memorized. So you say, okay, the fourth card down, you count 4 cards, and you don't show them this card, you just look at it yourself, and you memorize this card, and this has absolutely nothing to do with the card over here. So in this case, it's the Queen of Hearts. So you memorize that. So I'm memorizing the Queen of Hearts, and I already know that the card over here is the 2 of Clubs. So I say, okay. So this card is telling me, without showing anybody, that this card, the fourth card down over here, is a 2 of Clubs. And then you go like this, and then it's 2 of Clubs, and they'll be like, what? And then you do the same thing again, but this time you do the same thing, and then you put this pile on top of this pile. So you know now the fourth card down from the top is now the Queen of Hearts. And then you can do it again, or what I like to do to make it look like it's actually being mixed up is I give the cards a shuffle, but I keep the top 4 cards, or at least the top 4 cards, in order on the top. So that way the fourth card down is still the Queen of Hearts, as you can see. So and then you say, okay, I'm going to do it again, and you let them cut it wherever they want, or you can cut it, or whoever. And then you say, okay, I'm going to cut the cards like this. And you say the fourth card down over here, and you do 4 cards down, and you say this card is going to tell me what the fourth card down over here is. And this is the Queen of Clubs this time. So, a double queen. Yeah, pretty cool. And then you just memorize this card. And then you put, so you memorize this card and you say, okay, this is telling me that this is the Queen of Hearts. And make sure that when you're doing this, don't show it to anybody and just keep it to yourself. And you say, that's telling me that the fourth card down over here is the Queen of Hearts. And you do that, and you go, oh, whoops, oh, it's Queen of Hearts. You can do it one final time, and then same process. You can shuffle the cards if you want, or, yeah, and just make sure that the top 4 cards are in the same order. Still got the fourth card down as the Queen of Clubs. And then you do the same thing, just cut the cards wherever you want, tell them to cut it wherever they want. Just like this, and you say the fourth card down over here, which is completely meaningless. And then see the fourth card down over here, telling me the fourth card down in this pile is the Queen of Clubs, and there it is. And then I guarantee that, or most likely they'll have no clue how you did it, and they'll just think you're like a genius or you're like a mind reader, or you can tell the cards, so what the cards are. So that's a pretty cool trick. So if that is your favorite trick, then make sure you practice it before the show on Friday, and see you guys in the next video.